Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this brand new stunning Defender 110, which is a D300 mild hybrid HSE in Santorini Black. As you can see, you have 20-inch alloys with a gloss black finish, privacy glass, and going into the boot, you have plenty of space there for personal items, but you can also put the seats down if you do need more room. An electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one. Carrying on round the car and going into the front, you also have keyless entry, which is ideal if you have your hands full. You have a lovely leather interior, which is definitely easier to clean than cloth. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice to open on a sunny day or just if you want a bit of fresh air. You also have a touchscreen with different functions, including heated front seats, which is ideal especially in the winter. And you can also change how hot you want it. Eco data, which tells you how well the car has been driven, for example if you're braking too hard, and you have eco tips and history. You can also control your tow bar from inside the car. .3D surround camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. And you have an off-road option and a towing option. Along with Bluetooth to connect your phone so you can make calls whilst on the go, which is handy. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, all handy when driving along the motorway. As well as a heated steering wheel, which again is luxury in winter. Memory seats, which is ideal if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system. As I said, this car is brand new, therefore it's only done 12 miles. And you do also have a ClearSight interior rear view mirror. That's your mirror that can also be a camera if you can't see out the back window, which is pretty useful. And stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Defender 110 at Stafford Land Rover. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.